Privacy? That's a myth when your roommate knows how to use the door handle. Believe me, this is not just a doorbell, it's their pet code. He's me after saying, I'm fine, I'm not mad. He's 20% dog, 80% lawnmower, and ready for any job offers. Kitty's like, not lost, just finding my seat.
Please don't scratch the new couch. Put those things away. No. Yes, you're very cute. Please don't scratch. No.
He's me on my day at kindergarten. This doggo does an Oscar-worthy performance when he sees treats.
The most dangerous animal on this planet. A violent creature filled with hateful thoughts and a lust for blood.
Meow, meow, meow. Meow, 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 meow. Meow, 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 meow.
New workout trend, the Pitbull-nado. Anyone want to join?
Fridge door. Pizza is almost gone. I wonder who did it.
The face you make when someone yells at you.
กันใช่ไหมใช่ไหมกูแอบฟัง
ถามพี่มูดว่าเอาไปริ้วใหม่ไหม
โอ้เขาเบื่อมากเลย
How can you resist those adorable eyes? It's difficulty level 100.
A little bit of peace.
This house is for decoration purposes only. The moment you realize tomorrow is Monday.
Master has given Dobby a sock. Master has presented Dobby with clothes. Dobby is free.
They say I need to dip my toes into exercise more.
What do you think? Well, how the hell did you get the beans above the fry? I mean, I don't know. It wasn't like it was a well-thought-out plan.
Work smarter, not harder. So behold, our Exhibit A, the moving bed. This cannot be his first day of herding. Look at the skills. We're not cuddling buddies. I need at least one paw's length of space, Mr. Cat. No matter what, cats are the best gnomes.
Aurora? Aurora? I'm sorry.
Every great walker needs a sidekick, and that's almost as cool as them, right? My boyfriend, after realizing the motto, happy wife, happy life. have a case of feline layering. The motive? Unidentified. When your roommate says it's time to clean the house. Exercise is overrated. Hugs and a lift to the couch, please. The cat is me when Mum said siblings gotta love each other.